Hilda Baci is a Nigerian woman from Akwa Ibom who decided to make the country proud by breaking Guinness World Record of the longest cooking time by a woman. The former holder of the record, Chef Lata Tondo of India, set a record of 87 hours and 45 minutes cooking time in 2019. And this year, 2023, Hilda Baci of Nigeria surpassed that record with the aim of reaching 96-hour goal as the longest cooking chef in the world.
My name is Hilda Baci, a Nigerian woman from Akwa Ibom State, and starting from the 11th of May, I am going to be attempting to break the Guinness World Record for the longest cooking time by an individual. Before she started, there were lots of preparations and many brand sponsors were on ground to help her achieve the feat. Her team was solidly behind her, and she held a press conference announcing to the world what she was about to do.
I feel like doing this is pretty much setting precedent for the generation that is coming after me.
Hilda cooked non-stop from 4 p.m. on Thursday, May 11, and kept cooking till 4 p.m. on Monday to reach her initial goal of 96 hours. While she was cooking, Nigerians kept trooping to the venue to show her support and cheer her up, while also eating all the meals she was preparing for free. In 4 days, the 27-year-old Nigerian lady cooked over 110 meals. Celebrities like Charles Okocha, Spyro, Kafi, and others were present at the venue to cheer her and encourage her during the task. Even the Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, came through to support her and also ate free food. Under the rain, Nigerians stood firm, cheering Hilda on to achieve her dreams of breaking the Guinness World Record. On the third day of the cookathon, Hilda seemed to be looking tired, but she managed to keep going. Dancers from her state, Akwa Ibom, also came through with a cultural dance display to keep her going. Because of the huge encouragement and love from Nigerians, Ghanaians, and other parts of Africa, Hilda decided to surpass her goal of 96 hours to make it reach 100 hours in total. Meanwhile, Hilda Baci has completed a 100-hour cooking task to become the world record holder of the longest cooking time in the Guinness Book of Record. While we await the Guinness Book of Record to officially declare her, we say congratulations to Hilda Baci and her team for the job well done and the remarkable achievement. For more content like this, do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your post notification to get notified when we drop a new video. Till we come your way again, bye for now.